In this video, I will show you how to create an amazing YouTube intro like this. To make the video like that, we will type in panzoid.com. And then from here, we can click this squares and then go to creations. Then from here, we can choose many designs, many templates. Let's say we want this one. We'll click open to clipmaker. And then if you want to see the preview, just click here, click this eye and then play it. Okay, that's it. We can change the background, the text. For example, you want your text, we'll change it to my name, for example. In changing the text, after we type in our text, we click somewhere here for the message or the text to register somewhere here. Then there you go. Then if we want to change the music, we can upload music. And then the important thing is this basic. We want our video to be only in 9 seconds. We don't want longer than 10. We can play the video now. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, that's good. And then how to download the video? Click this one, download, and then the quality, balance or good quality is enough. Let's go for good quality. .mkv. Then let's start video render.
A few moments later.
Okay, our video is done. And then click download your video. Okay, here is our video. It's an MKV. We should play it on VLC player. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you find value, please subscribe and then hit that like button. See you sa next video. Bye bye.